Привет! I'm finally out of the gulag and now I'm ready to try the new loader of the kirovets. And that was all I was supposed to do today. But I saw the kraz standing there, so my plan is to load it up also. It's a bit far from completed, but yeah, we can test it and see how it drives just for the fun of it. Now when it's painted. So yeah, that went perfectly. No problem for the kirovets to load the kraz. And the kraz hold all together, so hopefully no more gulag for me for a time now. So thank you for watching, and hopefully next time we can make some really good driving videos with these two machines. And don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment about how great I am, Boris! See you later!